Although tax day is usually in April, San Diego gets a special deadline this year. June 17th is the extended deadline for 2023 tax year returns for all residents and businesses in San Diego County. The IRS has granted a 2-month extension for disaster relief after the devastating January floods.
And basically when that happens is when FEMA steps in, the IRS steps in after it's declared, presidentially declared disaster area, and we provide tax relief, usually in the form of extensions and postponements of deadlines.
The extension automatically applies to every taxpayer with an IRS address of record located in the disaster area. If you live in San Diego County and received a late filing penalty, contact the IRS to get it removed. If you haven't filed or paid your taxes yet, now is the time to do it.
If you have a balance due or you think you owe, then file the return and pay what you can, and let's work something out going forward if you can't full pay. It's the paying part that can get some folks in trouble with the penalties and interest that can accrue on the account.
Raphael Tulino with the IRS says if you need more time, you can request a 4-month extension to file until October 15th, although payments will still be due June 17th.
If it's a refund return, then you want to file it as soon as you can or when you're ready. That way you get your money back from the government in the form of a tax refund. But if you have a balance due, then that's where you might want to consider making some payments or full paying, whatever you can do to avoid any more going down the line.
And whether or not you've already filed for 2023, there's some things you can start thinking about for next year.
Now that the year is just about half over or so, and if you're thinking about taxes, not a bad idea to take a look at your withholdings, your taxes, your adjustments, but maybe take a look at things now and consider some tax planning now that the year is halfway over to bring the taxes you pay closer to what you actually owe.
You can find more information about getting another extension for filing and about June 17th's deadline at cbs8.com. Alex Lai, CBS 8.